Hey guys, quick little blog here, vlog almost, real quick, not even any kind of editing whatsoever, but I thought I'd bring it to your attention. Since I did a project where I did a drying box a couple weeks ago, I thought this was kind of important. Lately in Kentucky it's been raining a lot, and somebody forgot to empty the dehumidifier for a couple days in the basement. So we had humidity in the basement. It says 65%, 70%. Somewhere around there. And so I went to go print some more stuff, and I was using PLA, and usually they don't tell you that you need to dry PLA. Usually it's PETGs, nylons, maybe a little ninjaflex, but usually PLAs are pretty safe. But just wanted to show you that indeed you need to make sure your PLA stays dry, and here's a good case in point for it. So here's a print I had, and you can see, if I get the right angle, see all the pock marks? That's not because of retraction. Retractions happen along this edge here consistently all the way down. Those are little bits of steam that, when it went through the nozzle, expanded and caused the material to stop flowing for a slight moment. And this is PLA. This is Hatchbox PLA. And so then I said, well, let's go dry it. So I put it in the dryer for probably 16 hours. This is the same material. It looks like I got one spot. Same settings, same print. I just hit the same print on it, and it looks much better. So even PLA in the right conditions can absorb a bit of water. So this is just a warning to you. So anyways, guys, I'm not saying that you have to dry your PLA all the time, but I am saying that in a damp environment, even PLAs can absorb water, as most filaments probably can absorb water, not as readily as nylon, but you probably should bag up your PLA if you're not going to use it for a while, or keep the room dry, or if you're planning on printing with it, you know it's been wet, put it in the dryer. You can never have a filament be too dry. So just a little tip for you, just something I noticed while I was printing tonight, thought I'd pass along the information to you guys. Enjoy.